Today, you are going to learn more about paragraph writing. And our focus today is going to be on topic sentences. Topic sentences. If you want to follow along in your book, it starts on page 49 of your Longman book. Let's take a look at this example paragraph for a moment. Selena is a traditional student at Chabot College. This is what we call a topic sentence. A topic sentence is the first sentence in a paragraph. Now notice the word sentence. So that means it has a capital, it has a period, it has a subject, and it has a verb. So it has to be a complete sentence. And another important thing about a topic sentence is it gives the main idea. It's the main idea of the whole paragraph. So, Selena is a traditional student at Chabot College. That is the main idea. So I know that all of the other sentences in the paragraph will explain more about Selena being a traditional student. Let's look at your book on page 48, where they talk more about topic sentences. Here it says, a topic sentence comes at the beginning of the paragraph, just like we mentioned before. And the topic sentence gives the writer's main idea about the topic. It also tells us a good topic sentence helps readers understand the paragraph. There are two main parts of a topic sentence. There's the topic, and there's the controlling idea. A topic is what the paragraph is generally about. The controlling idea gives more information about the topic and tells us what the writer is going to focus on. So let's look at an example. This is the topic sentence. David Freeman is a good father. The general topic is David Freeman. But what are we going to say about David Freeman? We need a focus. That focus is our controlling idea. He is a good father. This topic sentence tells the reader that the paragraph will be about David Freeman. It will be about David as a father. The paragraph will not have other information about David. However, for example, it will not tell the reader about his education, his friends, his future plans, because that is not the focus. The focus is about how he is a good father. Either the topic or the controlling idea can come first in a topic sentence. So let's look at this example. Scuba diving requires careful preparation. Here's our topic, scuba diving. What do we want to say about scuba diving in our paragraph? We want to talk about how it requires careful preparation. That's our controlling idea. We can say it this way, or we can put it in a different order. We can say, you must prepare carefully before scuba diving. In this case, we have the controlling idea first and then the topic. Now let's look at the exercise on page 49. It says to find the topic sentence of each paragraph and then circle the topic and underline the controlling idea. So let's look at paragraph 1 together. The man in the photo has a terrible job. His name is Bob Walker and he works for big computers. Every day, customers call him on the phone. They are unhappy about their computers. He does not like to listen to them. Sometimes they get angry and they yell at Bob. Then he gets angry too. He needs a new job. Oh, it's a sad paragraph. Um, so where is the topic sentence? Well, that's pretty easy because the topic sentence is always the first sentence, right? So we have our topic sentence at the beginning. Now let's figure out what is our topic and what is our controlling idea in that sentence. The man in the photo has a terrible job. So I would say that our topic is the man in the photo. What are we going to say about the man in the photo? We're going to talk about his terrible job. So that's our controlling idea. Then all the other sentences in the paragraph talk about how his job is terrible. And it really does sound bad. Let's look at paragraph 2 now. It is easy to make good chocolate chip cookies. Just buy a bag of chocolate chips at the supermarket and look for the recipe on the back. The recipe will list the other ingredients you need. At home, measure the ingredients and mix them to make the cookie dough. Put the dough into the refrigerator and wait 24 hours. That's the only hard part, waiting. Follow the instructions to bake the cookies. The last step is the easiest part of all, eating the cookies warm from the oven. That paragraph is much nicer. So we know that our topic sentence is our first sentence. It is easy to make good chocolate chip cookies. What's the topic of that sentence? Did you say chocolate chip cookies? I agree. What do we want to say about chocolate chip cookies? Are we talking about how they're delicious or how they are expensive? No. We are talking about how it's easy to make. So all of the sentences in our paragraph explain just how easy it is to make those cookies. The next practice with topic sentences is on page 50. Here the directions say to choose a topic sentence. We have to work alone, right? Unless you have a brother or sister with you. Read each topic paragraph and the 3 sentences that follow it. Choose the best topic sentence for the paragraph and write it on the line. So we're going to read the paragraph sentences and think what would be a good main idea sentence. Paragraph 1. He was the captain of 2 sports teams at our high school. He was our best wrestler and our best tennis player. He is also a good swimmer and a fast runner. He runs every day to stay in shape. Sometimes Kai and I play ping pong together. Kai usually wins. He's good at ping pong too. Okay, so all of these sentences are about Kai. And it talks about He's the captain of 2 sports teams. He's a wrestler. He's a good tennis player. He's a good swimmer. He's a fast runner. He even plays ping pong. So, Kai is a great friend. No, it's not about how he's a friend. My friend Kai and I like sports. Well, it's definitely about sports and Kai, but I don't think it's about I. My friend Kai is good at sports. There we go. That is our best topic sentence. Let's look at one more example together before you practice on your own. This is a monarch butterfly. The paragraph says, for example, butterflies called painted ladies fly all the way from Europe to Africa. They also fly from Australia to New Zealand. Monarch butterflies fly from Canada to Mexico. That trip can be 3,000 miles long. It is amazing how far some butterflies can fly. So they're talking about painted lady butterflies and monarch butterflies and all the places they fly. What is the best topic sentence? Butterflies are beautiful? No, it doesn't talk about how they look at all. Some butterflies are great travelers. That sounds like a good choice. How about C? Butterflies live in many parts of the world. Well, it talks about where they travel to, but not exactly where they live. So for me, the best choice is going to be B. Some butterflies are great travelers. Okay, to wrap things up, what did we learn today about topic sentences? We know that they are the first sentence in a paragraph, and we pointed out that that is a sentence with a subject, a verb, a capital, and a period. We also learned that the topic sentence is the main idea of the whole paragraph. So it's a really important sentence. We also learned that topic sentences have 2 parts. It has the topic, the general thing that the paragraph is about, and then the controlling idea. The controlling idea says what the writer is going to say about the topic. Now it's time for you to do a little practice with topic sentences. Good luck!